Hi there, students. Absurdum. Okay, an adverb. Or the longer version, Reductio ad absurdum. This is Latin. Let's see, if we use the phrase ad absurdum, this means to the point of absurdity. So, for example, driving 20 kilometers to buy milk that is 2 cents cheaper is taking the idea of buying the cheapest possible ad absurdum. Yeah, it's taking it to the point of absurdity. Okay, we've had this COVID crisis, and I think it's reasonable to take all reasonable and sensible precautions, wear a mask and things like that. But I have a feeling there are some people who've stayed at home and not gone out since the crisis started. And this is taking the idea of protecting oneself ad absurdum. Okay, to the point where it is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, this the full phrase in Latin is reductio ad absurdum. Yeah, and this is a form of argument to show that a way to show that something you're saying is true by taking the opposite or looking at the opposite and showing that that is just ridiculous. It can't be. It's a non sequitur. Okay, so people say that the earth is flat. Well, let's look at this. Let's look at the opposite. The earth is round, people stay on it. Yeah, but if the earth is flat, then people would fall off the edge. And there we go. That's the idea. The opposite is just ridiculous. Or mathematically, it's impossible to find the smallest number, because any number, how small it is, you can divide it by 2 and get an even smaller one. Yeah. Therefore, it's ridiculous to say that something is the smallest number. Okay, it's a way of arguing. It's a way of looking at it, looking at things, and looking at the opposite and showing that the opposite is absurd. Recently, I heard somebody say, "I've just come from Personchester," and I thought, what? And then I got it. He actually meant Manchester. And I think this is political correctness ad absurdum. Yeah, taken to a point where it's ridiculous. You're changing things so that they are politically correct and are completely non-sexist. But Personchester, where the hell is Personchester? This is PC ad absurdum. Okay, so to the point where something is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so ad absurdum, to take something to a ridiculous degree. Let's see, doing your best to get something right and spending a couple of hours concentrating on it is a good thing. But to spend 2 weeks over a tiny little point, well, this is perfectionism ad absurdum, to a point where it is ridiculous. Okay, formality, ad absurdum. I think I'm going to give this a 6 in formality. I think you could just about use it informally. Better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. And then reductio ad absurdam. Reductio, to reduce, ad, to absurdum, the absurd. Okay, absurd. Something that is absurd is contrary to reason. It's flatly opposed to the manifest truth. Yeah. Okay, away from, and surdus, deaf or silent. So away from the silent, but absurdus in Latin, incongruous, out of tune. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Reductio ad absurdum.